Hey, it's Gerald back with another video. Except these videos are now starting to get random. It's not really JHO semi-travel. It's more like JHO videos vlogs. Because that's what I should start calling it. But anyway, here's what's going on. People. And before I start, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you are new, and let's get to it. Alright, so here's the thing. We are doing, it's my volcano I built right there. It's pretty nice. I spent about 3 hours on it. It's a really neat one because, if you look, it has its own ramp. Hold on, let me fix that. Gotta fix that real quick before I show. Alright. It's even got a little ramp. See how it's going up there? Starts right down there, goes all the way up there, and then just leads up to here, I guess. Then there's the inside. And we are going to make it work by sticking baking powder and vinegar in there. So, let's get to it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a like, comment. Oh, make sure to leave a comment. Oh yeah, Nimbo TV, yeah. If you still watch my channel, yeah, this is a shout out for you. Go watch Nimbo TV. I think he makes some Roblox videos. Yeah, you should check out his channel. He's been leaving some good comments. Anyway, let's get to it. Pat that a little bit. Make it nice and rough. Gotta roughen this up. That looks pretty rough, wouldn't you think? Okay, let's get started. I think we should get with the baking powder. Alright. Or I could just pull it out there. Alright. Here we go. I'll just pull the whole kablam. I'll just pull the whole shebang in there. There we go. There we go. That's perfect. I think we emptied like the whole thing in there. Anyway, here we go. The moment of truth. Oh, hell yeah. Let's try again. Kaboo! Okay, that might as well call that St. Helens. So let's just stick that flag in there. And fuck it. that was my eruption. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and leave a comment. I really love comments. And give a suggestion for my next video, and I will see you later. Peace.